Assalamualaikum class 5. Today we will do chapter number 2, that is A Sparrow and the Rose. It's a story of a sparrow and the rose. Once there was a garden in which there was a rose. A sparrow used to visit the garden every day and she became the friend of Rose. One day when she visited the garden, she found that the rose was feeling sad. She asked the reason and the rose told her that a boy tried to pluck the rose. The sparrow suggested that all of them should pray to Allah for the protection. All the flowers and plants prayed silently for their protection, and the next morning the flowers saw a fence around the garden. In this way, Allah protected them. I hope so that you will like the story and you will read the story. Now come up to the vocabulary. On page number 11, there are words pluck, to pull something out; thorn, a small sharp pointed part on the stems of some plants such as roses; prick, to make a very small hole in the skin with a sharp point; scared, fearful; protection, safety. Students, learn these words and write them on your copies. Next, on page number 12, there is a comprehension. Answer these questions. Question number 1 is, what did the boy do? If you have read the story, so you will be able to write the answer. The boy tried to pluck the rose. Question number 2. Why were the flowers upset? The flowers were upset because they were worried that someday anyone can pluck them too. What did the little sparrow suggest? The little sparrow suggested that they should pray to Allah for the protection. Next question is, have you ever planted flowers? How do you take care of them? The answer, you have to write it yourself. If you were a sparrow, what would you do to help the flowers? Write the answer yourself. Now come to page number 14, regular and irregular noun. Write the plurals of these regular and irregular nouns. But I will explain it to you that what's the difference between regular noun and irregular noun. Regular nouns are those nouns which, when we change them into plural, we add s or es. यानी रेगुलर नाउन वो होते हैं जिसका जब हम प्लूरल बनाते हैं तो हम उसका s और es का इजाफा करते हैं. Irregular nouns are those nouns when we change them into plural, we use different words. For example, child, children. Now come to the exercise. Sparrow, sparrows; garden, gardens; branch, branches; flower, flowers; rose, roses. Irregular noun. Child, children; tooth, teeth; man, men; mouse, mice; foot, feet. Write these nouns and the singular plural on your copies and learn them hard. Next topic is articles, a and an. As all of you know that we use an with vowels, and vowels are a, e, I, O, U. With A, E, I, O, U, we use an, and with the other we use a. But I want to make it clear to you that we use an not only with the words that start with A, E, I, O, U, but with the words that has the sound of A, E, I, O, U. यानी वो अल्फाज जो जिनकी साउंड भी A-E-I-O-U से स्टार्ट हो, उनके साथ हम एन यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, There is a word hour, that is start with H, but we will use an because it has a sound of so we will use an. तो आपने सिर्फ वर्ड्स नहीं बल्कि उनकी साउंड को भी याद करना है कि द वर्ड्स दैट स्टार्ट विद द साउंड ऑफ AEIOU you will use an. For example, an hour, a knife, an honest woman, an honorable man, a wrong deed, a need. I hope so that you will understand the concept. So in the same way you have to follow and you have to solve exercise number 3 on your copy. There were dark clouds in the sky. The weather was pleasant. I took an umbrella and walked to the garden. On my way, I saw a cat sitting in a tree. I reached the gate of the garden. There was a fence around the garden with a notice board hanging on the gate. Solve this exercise on your copy and learn it.